is Tayme Artistry, and now we're back with a new video. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you for your love and support and for watching my previous videos, for the comments and the feedback that I'm getting. I really appreciate all of it. And if you have any more suggestions, just let me know, leave it down in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And for today's look, since most of us are working from home, I know you still want to look your best and fresh before attending your online meetings. And if that sounds good to you, just keep on watching. that's it for our final look. I hope you've learned a lot from this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, for any makeup suggestion, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to try it out. Stay safe and healthy. See you in the next video.